at 634 7th Street in Bolivia, North Carolina. This house just came back on the market. It had gone under contract, but that fell through. This is in Sunset Harbor. You are less than 2 miles from the Sunset Harbor public boat launch. This house is 3 bedroom, 2 bath. It also has an additional 875 square feet upstairs. It's all fenced in. It does come with a double lot. So this lot over here where the chickens are is part of this sale. This house is listed for $425. If you're looking for something that you still want to be close to the water, you want to be able to access Oak Island, Holden Beach, you can still get to Southport easily from here, but you don't want the restrictions of an HOA. Maybe you want a little bit more room. This might be a great spot for you. This porch is wonderful. It's nice and wide. It's all fenced in with gates. It could be easily screened in. This is a modular house that was built in 22. This is a modular house that was built in 2002. If you're curious about the difference between modular versus manufactured, check out my video above. This blue door over here leads to the huge 2-car garage. So if that's something you're interested in, you want a little workshop, there is also an additional storage building outside. So let's go in and take a look. So as you walk into an open concept area, stairs that go to the huge bonus room upstairs. I like how the kitchen is tucked away, so it's still open but separated. So this living room is huge. And then of course you have this nice little entryway. And then you have the dining room. There is a change in floor here. Nice big dining room. Kitchen. This little detail of shiplap down here. Here's your pantry. Whirlpool appliances. You have tons of cabinet space. Window out to the backyard. Here is the laundry, washer, dryer, and then they have a freezer here. This goes out to the back porch, which is nice. Nice covered porch. Large fenced in privacy yard. Look at these raised beds. You also have this shed and then the garage over here. So you have this huge area here. Could be a nice workshop. whatever you like. And then the side is fenced in as well. There's some chickens next door. Love it. Two-car garage plus some. It's huge, you guys. And then, of course, you have this garage door in the back that goes to the backyard, so you could pull through. See, as you see, you have plenty of storage. Then that goes inside. The Sunset Harbor public boat launch is less than 2 miles down the road. Off of the living room, you have the primary bedroom. Which is huge. Here you have a nice walk-in closet. And then primary bathroom. So you do have a shower, and then you have this nice jacuzzi tub. Here's some storage. You have some great natural light. And then the toilet's kind of tucked away in the corner. I like that. So the primary is separated from the other bedrooms. So here you have guest bedroom 1. Closet. Guest bedroom number 2. Closet. Here is bathroom number 2. This one is a tub shower combo. Additional closet, so you have lots of storage in here. And then wait until you see this space upstairs. This room is huge. So this is an additional 800 square feet up here. And then these, some of them. Air handler. And then you have a separate room over here. This could be an office, a bedroom. There are lots of possibilities up here. Let me know what you guys think.